Hey YouTubers, it is Gizzy Greenfingers, and today this is my Magnolia and it's doing really well. I've given it a bit of a nitrogen boost today, and what I'm going to start to do is wire some of these branches. Now I like to start early so it doesn't cause me grief in the next couple of years. So what am I going to do? Well, where was I? This side is more better. I'll take you off the turn. I'll put you on the thingy-me. What's it bloody called? Standy thing. Tripod. Yay! We got there in the end. It's been a bloody hard day today. It's been hot. It's been hot. I think it got to about 30 degrees. I may be lying, but it was bloody hot. A bit more than that, and that's it, degrees, and they get you up to the level I want you at for the optimal look. Looking good though, isn't it? It's looking healthy. Looking healthy. It's the main thing. So what we're going to do, get you off that. I'm going to be wiring that one further down like that. This one up here will be getting wired down like that. And this one here, that's got a really crappy kink. Oh, I see it, Gizzy. Crappy kink. Well, he's going to be getting wired down like that, so it looks a little bit more natural. And then that one can go like that. And that's how we're going to start it off, ladies and gentlemen. So, what we're going to need? Who reckons? Who reckons a 2mm? It's quite pliable. I think this is a 2mm. It never tells you on the actual thing, but it does on the plastic wrap a bit. It's either 1.5 or 2mm. And to be fair, I think it's a 1.5. I think that's what I've got left of 2mm. Oh, look at them. Yeah, you can't see that. Well, basically, they are the same. No, they're not. That is bigger. That is a 2mm. That is a 2mm, ladies and gentlemen, and that is a 1.5. Yeah, there's not a lot. It's not a lot, but it was enough. So what am I going to do first? Well, that's going to need this wire. So try and get you up to a better angle, ladies and gentlemen. A better angle. How's that? Is that working for you? That's as high as I can go. That's as high as I can go. Yeah. So I want that going. I don't want that down here like that. I want doing something like that. Yeah, let's just get it wired first, isn't it? Let's get it wired, and then we can worry about the that ain't gonna focus, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm just gonna have to zoom you out and just have a little bit less light to see what I'm doing. It's just how it goes. It's just how it goes. So it wants to be something like that, and then that one to be like that. So when you're wiring, you don't want to listen to me. I don't think I really know, but I start around the actual base of the tree, the actual trunk, and then I go like this. And when you are wiring, you've got to be really careful. You can't see what I'm doing. Oh, that's my belly. you got to be really careful not to wire any of the nodes that you've got starting, which are very, very delicate. Now, a lot of people would say, "Oh, why are you doing that now? You should always do that in the winter." No, I do things my way. It's my way or the highway. And I'll learn my lessons. I'll learn them. But I know this is going to work, so not really bothered. He's not really bothered. No. And then the excess of wire that you have right at the end, you just want to snip that off. Just like that. There we go. So that's that one sorted. Now I do want to wire this. Now I believe that's going to want a little bit of a smaller wire. Yes. And this. Oh no, this is a 1.5. That was a 2mm. I think that is a 2mm. Because I'd never run out of a 2mm. Never. 2mm is like the all of end all wires that every person should have. You know, that's my belly again. Now when I'm wiring, I like to try and get on the same path as the other wire, you see. Just like that. Make it look easy, but it bloody isn't. No, that worked out quite well actually. That did make me look like I knew what I was on about. Oh, we could do that like that. Oh, I don't like that. See, that was a bit too close to that other node. God, I got indigestion. Indigestion. There we go. That's that sorted. Woo! That's the old back seat. And then what you do is you just cut off the excess as before without cutting your finger off, and that's that. That's bloody that. Now shall we see what I've done? Shall we see what he's gonna start playing with? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's bloody do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's show you what my vision is. So I'm thinking that we get this branch and we just go, oh, la-di-da, like so. And then you could even probably put a kink in it like that, maybe, but maybe we might cut that back later in the effing year. And with the other branch, well, that's sort of doing its thing, but maybe we can enhance that a little bit more by going like that, and maybe a little bit like that. So it's got a bit of an angle, you see. Bloody hell, he's a sarcastic motherfucker. Oh dear. But that's that. So yeah, pretty happy with how that's going. We may just do that like that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And the next branch in question was drum roll. And a bit of light on the situation won't go amiss, Kizzy Green Fingers. Don't look at the mouldy bloody blind. Now this is the one, and he's just going to be going like that, you see. But maybe a downward angle, you see. Just a little bit of a downward bloody angle. And I think we'll get away with 1.5. I think he bloody will. Now, Magnolia Stellata is a very slow growing specimen. So, am I worried about these wires this summer? Probably not, but it's still young. So, never say never. You should always check your wires every 2-3 days, depending on the specimen. So, if you've got a weeping willow, for instance, you want to check your wires daily. Yeah. Because if you don't, then you're going to find yourself losing branches where it's biting right in. No, I don't want to go like that. Go through like that. Up like that. And you've got to be really careful not to get any of these little nodies. Oh, that's it. It's really delicate, all these branches, because they're so new and fragile. It's probably not the right time to do it, but I don't give a Scooby bloody do. Oh, wow, that is cool. Oh, yeah. You've got that to a bloody T, Gizzy Green Fingers. And then this one, that could even go down like that. Oh, wow, yes, you've got like a little whoopy thing going on. That looks epping great, Gizzy. Bloody hell, that does look good. Oh, my God, I surprised myself. So I got a bit excited there. Yeah, it's got a hand. It's got a bloody hand, alright. Yep, so I've got that going on. That's good. I'll let that one grow up more before I start effing about with that. The same with all these little ones. It's just some of these, well, I've got like a little vision. It's just some of these bigger ones I want to sort out. Just see out a bit. Put you up a little. Put you back a bit. It's this one still. See, ideally, this wants to be cut right back to about here. But I'm not cutting anything back at the moment now. It's just going to do its thing. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. We'll just let that grow, get a little bit more strength, I believe. I think that's it. I think that's the main thing going on. Should not be going like that. I have to fast forward this a lot when because I'm having an hour and I can usually do. Yeah, we want some. We just want a bit of curving going on, I think, instead of all these raggedy edges like that. I just think if you've got a bit of a curvy going on, completely like that, you can do something with that, and it'll swoop from side to side, and it'll look a pretty picture. But you ain't gonna know unless you start doing it. Now, I think I'm gonna use a 2mm for this one. Ladies and gentlemen, 2mm. So it's got a little bit more, girth on it than the last one. We got it as right. It's fighting with the blind at the moment. That's the end of the wire. Is it the wire? Oh, there we go. We get that like that. Like that. Oh, go on, you little sod. That like that. There we go. Oh, we're cooking on gas now, ladies and gentlemen. Cooking on gas. Ew, what are you cooking? A storm. He's cooking a storm up. Bonsai storm. Oh, go on, you little sod. And remember what I said, you got to be careful of all these little nodies. Oh, you ballsed it up for next bloody year, haven't you? Oh, that really hurts the back. I've got to have a sip of milkshake. I do love a strawberry milkshake. Right, so we got that going on like that. Now we need to get that bending over. Like so. Maybe a little kinky up there like that. Maybe not too much like that. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. And then, as we've said previously earlier at the beginning of the video, we just cut the excess off. Nearly got him. But I didn't. Wow. I think that is. Put you on the old turntable. And I think that's where we're at. That is where we're at. I'll just wait for this to grow. Let's do its thing. Hopefully these side shoots will get a lot longer, and then we'll start getting some ramification going on, you know. But yeah, it's a good start. It was a slow start. It was a slow start with this Magnolia, I'm not going to lie. The top, still not sure what I'm going to do with the top yet, because I'm an amateur and I'm still learning. I'm still waiting to see what will look good with it, you know. Bottom looks good. These side branches look good now. See, like this, I'm not sure if I had that at the angle as it is, or do I get rid of some of these. I think these look good how they are. It's like the wading game, really. I guess we'll see at the end of this summer. We'll see at the end of the summer, YouTubers. But I'm going to start wrapping this up about now. And if you have enjoyed watching me wiring some of these branches for the old Magnolia Stellata, and you want to see how this looks in the future, then please do not forget to like and subscribe. That'd be great. That'd be tickety-boo, tickety-boo. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da for now. Kissy green fingers.